Hello. Today we are going to discuss a problem statement using DT ideologies. So the problem statement is that basically we guys are facing the uh, issue on legal documents and contracts and all those legal stuffs.
Now,
And
what issue are we facing? We are facing issue with legal
well,
documents.
yeah, ma'am. Like if we are like today I'm going to have an contract with someone. I have to. It will be taking around 2 to 3 pages, or like
Okay,
minimum.
so the issue that we are discussing here is about time and money.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So this is the problem statement, and it is basically a legal document analyzer.
And you are developing a legal document analyzer
Yes,
using AI.
yes. So when we start our empathize, we have started with a small company in which they said that if they are having an agreement or a contract or any legal documents, they if they want to consult an lawyer, a profession, they have to wait for the appointment and cost is too high. Uh, Basically, for the small stuffs, we can go on with a alternative one. So we decided that we can have a app or like a website which does the analyze and pros and cons and all the stuffs. This
Okay.
is
Okay.
the thing that what they have said.
Okay.
Okay, so based on our understanding from this problem statement and the information that we collected from the empathy, so we can understand that the user needs to need a way to easily understand the contract documents and identify the risk that is inside the contracts.
Right.
Also, they have to decide a decision based on the information that they have gained. So this is the problem that we have defined from this empathize.
Okay.
So from the idea, we have decided to make a AI powered solution that can analyze the document. It can analyze the legal document, and also it can tell the risk reduction. Then it will make us understand the simplify the contract. So usually the legal documents are a bit of complex to understand what's in it, and the words are very difficult for a person who's not very much uh,
Aware
fluent in
of
English.
the
Yeah,
formality.
they feel very difficult to understand it. So this is the ideation that we have decided to implement an AI powered system that can usually detect all those stuffs and give us the features that will make us simplify the document. This-
So from the idea we have created the solution and what are the future we have added. So the solution is same like an idea. First we need to upload a document. Some We can say that we can upload the document in ChatGPT and it will summarize. But in the ChatGPT it has a limit. 50 MB of the folder will be allowed to upload in a ChatGPT. But in our app we can upload more than 50 MB file because majorly the legal document consists of more than 50 MB, so it cannot be uploaded and summarized, and also it cannot able to identify the major classes of the legal document. So in our app we have trained to identify the
Clauses, right?
yes ma'am, legal clauses. So it will identify the legal clauses and also summarize it in their own preferred languages.
Right.
These are the features and solution we have implemented.
Okay. Good.
I'll tell about the tech stack now. So we used modern technologies to implement a scalable system. For front end, we use Next.js to provide a clean and responsive UI. For back end, we used Fast API for document processing and API communication. And we also integrated AI systems for document processing and uh, for we also used
Now, I just want to have a question. When you are talking about legal documents, do we have to get any authorization? Because the app actually does a role of a lawyer here.
Yes,
Kind of does
not
a role of a
exactly the
lawyer, right?
lawyer
But a
rules.
lawyer has a license to perform what he's doing to education, getting a licensing. But whereas when it comes to an app, it has to have a separate cyber license, right? So how have you guys worked on that?
Ma'am, we are
And also the app API keys, was it expensive? And also you can talk about the legal side of you know, what do I say? Launching this into a market.
We have to get the license. We have to
It
research
has
about
to, right?
Yeah,
because
there's
we are replacing a lawyer means he we have to get the security should be high
That's what.
because
That's what. Because it's you're uploading in the cloud. It's got several documents which can be,
highly
misused,
Yeah,
and
misused.
theft is also there. Now you can conclude.
Okay, ma'am. There are a lot of already available apps now, like Do Not Pay and Legalism. So, what we are trying to differentiate from this, they mainly focus on very professional and authentication of the documents, but they do not provide the regional users who want the understanding of the document. We are in search of giving the understanding of the document to the user. So, in that case, when compared to those apps, the understanding is a bit lower. And in ours, we are having a very more focus on what the user expects. So, there are well-educated people and people who are very
So basically, you're giving them an experience rather than making it as a machine and a human process. You want to give them a experience, like how he should be feeling secured when sharing something with the lawyer. He
Yes,
should
ma'am.
feel the same secured and also, like, heard and known and comprehended in the right sense through
Yes,
an
ma'am.
application.
Regional users may not know the complications
Right,
behind it.
absolutely.
So they need to know a lot about it. So this is what we are trying to do in this. And that's the conclusion. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.